In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Power BI to Monday.com. This integration is quite handy if you want to visualize your data more effectively and make the most of your collaborative work environment. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Once you're logged into your Monday.com account, you'll see a small puzzle icon there. This icon acts as a gateway to the Monday Marketplace, where you can find all sorts of applications to enhance the functionality of your workspace. Once you click on the puzzle icon, it will open up the Monday Marketplace interface. Now, you'll need to look for the search bar, which should be prominently displayed. Type Power BI into the search bar. If you're new to this, Power BI is a powerful tool by Microsoft that helps create interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities with a simple interface. When you find Power BI in the list of results, click on it to proceed. You will see an option to install the app. Go ahead and click on Install App. At this point, if it's your first time installing Power BI, you'll encounter a setup process. This process is crucial because it determines how your integration will function. During the setup, you'll be prompted to select specific workspaces or boards where you want to install the Power BI app. Take a moment to think about where your data lives and where you'll want to visualize it. You can choose multiple workspaces or boards depending on your needs. It might take a bit of trial and error to decide, but remember, you can always adjust these settings later if necessary. Once you've made your selections, confirm your choices, and just like that, you're ready to start using Power BI within Monday.com. At this stage, based on the Power BI tools you've integrated, you'll be given specific steps to begin using them effectively. This might include connecting to your data sources or setting up your first visualization. Every tool has its nuances, so it's important to follow any instructions provided to maximize your setup. And that's really all there is to it. With Power BI now part of your Monday.com ecosystem, you can take your data analysis and project management to another level. It's a simple process, but one that can greatly enhance the way you work and collaborate. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy reporting and see you next time.